know it. Ah, fuck! I thought you might be in there.
All friendlies were
Oh no, you weren't. No, you weren't. Where I thought you were.
I got hammer as well.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
I saw the fucking counter got down. I was like, fuck.
Oh!
Did that nearly get you?
Yeah.
I didn't even.
Are you pre-firing that?
Yeah, I
or?
just. Oh, you stood at the window.
Yeah. I was
Alright.
trying to spawn peek.
Yeah, well, I thought you might be. That's why I pre-fired it. I didn't know you were actually there.
Fuck.
Ah! Just as I was vaulting.
Yeah.
Damn.
Timing. I was like, I got shot in the back, or I saw bullets come by me. I thought, where the fuck?
Ah, damn, that was a nice little headshot.
Oh!
Found you.
Op 4
I
eliminated.
heard you. I thought you were at the main entrance of the stairs.
I had no idea you were there. I was just about to sprint into meeting.
Ah, shit.
I just checked
heard
garage.
you.
Oh, you're upstairs. I think. I can hear you upstairs.
Oh,
Fucking hell!
fuck the pre-fire.
Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I was just checking the room. I was like, I bet he's just like camped in the corner.
Yeah, I missed that. You fucking ripped me with that ash charge and all.
The random's got the diffuser. Do we ask for it?
Give the fuse a cunt.
Jesus Christ.
Thanks, mate. Sorry, I've had hub problems and now I've got the light
You
on.
don't even pick
right,
it up.
My Philips Hue.
Get reported.
Sorry, boys. It's been a rough minute too. There's one intel near the bomb. I think.
So, if you want to leave a drone behind you or anything.
Probably should do, shouldn't I? But
Ah, fuck it.
Yeah, they're playing above as well.
You located a bomb.
Tell us it's clear though.
did he just kill that guy? Fucking did, didn't he? Fuck!
Tell us isn't clear, Ella's sat in here.
Got him.
Whereabouts?
She just jumped out the wall window.
Oh, I'm dead! I should have left the drone behind me, Jill.
Sorry, double height room. See you, mate.
He was so excited as well
Spawn
before he
sniping
left. Oh, his fucking shield's here. Yes, it's like he's died. Oh, rip Saigon. Fuck, how did he not die? There's one at security with me. Here, get him, get him. Got him.
Will be detected if you remain in this area.
Got him.
One Op 4 remaining.
Where's the last guy? Oh.
Ah, I've been on mute for ages.
Fucking
Hello.
hell. Alright, Jill.
How are we looking, so shall I come up to you?
Yeah. Why not, eh? Oh, there's, yeah, whereabouts is the fucking mirror? About here, wasn't it? Nope. One's coming up! Oh! Damn! Damn.
Fuck, I was just running out of the way and all. Fuck. Mustard on a beat?
What does that mean?
Don't know, someone says it in a song. Mustard on a beat?
Like as in mustard on a beetroot? Or as in mustard on a
Yeah, I
hip hop
don't-
beat?
It's probably on, yeah, I don't know, a little bit of hotness on a tasty
Oh, okay, yeah. What, a
I
tasty
don't know,
beetroot or a tasty
Tasty.
beet?
beat. I don't know. Hot mustard on your balls?
I don't call my balls a beet. I mean, a beat my
Drone has
balls. but I
located
don't
a
call
I
them
do,
a
because
beet.
that's all they give.
Yeah.
Beatings.
Oh, God. Speaking of ball sacks, say God!
Your drone
Oh,
has found a bomb.
I went for a wall bang, but we got a reinforcement.
Oh my God. Fucking AIDS.
One Op 4 remaining.
Buck, was that Buck?
I'm
Buck's
not sure.
downstairs.
Oh. Fucking update. Fuck off, printer.
Friendlies victorious.
Nice.
Oh my god, my printer was updating.
That's what I'm looking for. I just hear, fuck off, printer. What? Come on, I'm covering the fucking rotation, guy.
So watch out, there's someone got line of sight all the way down.
Up! Ah!
The diffuser is no longer in your possession. Down to one friendly.
Oh, it is. Fuck.
15
15
seconds left.
seconds, you're gonna have to just plug it to sight.
10
Cars,
seconds
no hacks.
remaining.
No, we lose. Can I get a plan?
The diffuser has been recovered.
Oh no!
Fuck.
4
I
eliminated.
thought you
all
might have that there because I thought I'd be distracted elsewhere. I don't even understand what happened there. I thought we were all cushy. It's because Mateboy had fucking diffuser.
Yeah.
I thought Billy had it for some reason. Yeah, just keep it to yourself next time you watch a video, mate.
Just trying to get a bit of banter in here that isn't like clip, clip, or the kitchen boy, you know.
I'm not sure that even counts as banner, does it?
So that's why Jill brings to the back. Oh,
10 seconds to insertion.
Second floor! This guy's sweating it too much for casual, I don't like it.
Did you kill it?
5 seconds to go.
Oh, I dropped my drone off. Oh, no.
Fetus 98.
The diffuser has been recovered.
Somebody's
You
feet.
must
Oh
locate
my
and defuse
god!
the bomb.
I was shooting the default cam.
I just thought, I was about to shoot the camera and I was like, oh my god, there's so many people in front of me.
Oh my god.
Sure, that's
fucking
premeditated.
incredible shot, though.
You could download that.
Located a bomb.
Move!
Last operator standing.
He's diffusing!
What?
Yes!
Sorry.
Mission successful.
How was he diffused? Oh, did they run across from the other...
He's already there.
If they got that diffused.
Oh my
That
god.
would be fucking
Incredible.
hilarious. I've got
No,
4. When did this happen?
No.
This was going to be our season.
Boys.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? How many have you lost while I've not
Don't
been
know.
here?
I didn't realise we'd lost that many. That I'm bordering
Yeah,
fucking
I see.
silver. I'm giving silver
I
a
was-
fucking rim job. I did not
I'm
want
in
that.
silver, mate.
You're in silver. Oh,
Yo,
Yeah,
he's
but I only got ranked 1 game ago. Got ranked gold 4 and then lost the next game. That
brutal.
was the border one, so...
right. It's Mountain to come back.
Oh, yes, Jill. Run out. Fucking
Let's
got
go.
this.
Oh, let's go!
Yes.
Yeah!
Only outlets. Yes. Oh,
When
let's
the
go.
fucking
Oh,
pizza
yeah,
bread kicks in.
let's go.
Right, you need to lead the way because I can't remember which bit.
Just
Is it
jump
right in
straight
there?
off.
Op
Oh,
four
they
Twitch has
know.
seen us.
bomb. Get ready to
Fuck
engage.
it!
You will be detected if you remain in this area.
Toph, come back. There's
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah, I know, but I've gone this side to try and get him.
What? I want to steal the other one!
Got one!
Yes!
Yes.
One apiece. Did you get the Thatcher?
Nope.
Zofia even.
One jumped in delivery.
If that was Zofia, mate, you are good to go. Why am I not spectating you? Oh my god.
Survived!
Fucking incredible.
Yes.
That was the best thing ever.
So happy.
You
You
do
happy?
need... I'm happy.
One op 4 remaining.
You do need...
Hey.
Man, how are you hacking? Hey, yeah.
Say what?
How
Hacking?
are you hacking?
No,
Because I
we
got-
ran out.
What if he quick peeks this or crouch peeks it? Crouch!
Op 4 eliminated.
I don't know any of the common spots. One's running out.
One's jumped out.
Got him.
Nice, Toph, nice.
You don't have to do fucking.
I'm just shooting him, the guy jumped out. Alright, I was a little busy.
30 seconds in.
She's going for you. Oh, the other one's the same place. The other one's the same place as
At all
Kosh. Like,
costs.
bar.
Oh,
Near,
fucking wrecked me.
near terrace.
Going.
Saigon's got Clash.
Yeah.
Just deal with the other guy, Jill. Yeah, nice.
How'd she get me?
One friendly operator remaining.
Melia? Oh! You can melee it, melee it. Just run up and melee it. Oh,
What the
fuck? No.
How did I fuck that up so
don't
bad?
know.
Melee and missed, to be fair.
Yeah, but then you backed off. Like, you have to get close to it.
Yeah, no, I wanted to get to the
User has been
doorway
disabled.
so I could like reload because I was like, I'm burning it. I thought I'd get out of the way.
Mateboy gave you a what the fuck as well. Comedy.
Who did a what?
Mateboy. El Sapo Atomico. He was like, what the fuck?
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
No wonder you get banned. I love it's like 2 minutes later as well, you probably don't even have a clue what you're on about. Call him a faggot, John.
I fucking will.
No.
Fucking will. Switch has swung in onto the
Cancel.
balcony.
That's El Sapo. Did they just get...
Okay.
Protected by hostiles.
Nice. Same window, Toph, over there.
Friendly last
Ah,
operator
what?
standing.
You just wrecked me,
15
pre-fired.
seconds left. 10 seconds left. Op 4, last operator standing.
Same place, same place!
Remaining.
You ran left, you ran left.
Yeah.
Nice! Nice.
Oh, I waited. I had to
Yeah, I
fucking
can
wait
tell.
there.
Yeah.
Found a bomb.
I need that drone kill.
Was there a challenge?
Yeah.
Or is it disconnect as many times as possible?
Yeah. Crushing it. Absolutely
Op 4
fucking
located
crushing
a
it.
bomb. Protect it.
I mean, the thing is, like your kills are no different to normal. You can't even tell you've been away.
I know. This is how good I am.
They're on 0. If anyone didn't get the joke.
Hey!
Yeah, Tanny's delivering. Push one. Tanny's on site basically. Yep, Tanny's on site.
Whereabouts?
He's got polyfoot. Got him. Got Tanny.
Nice.
Good lesion there.
One dropped. Restaurant, Zafia. 2 of them did. Go in A site. Go in A site. Capiteo, Zafia.
Mission complete.
How did he get that plant off while I'm shooting him non-stop?
Restaurant 3.
Oh, where the fuck am I going?
One's in sight, Joe.
Oh, what a fucking shot
One
on
friendly remaining.
Fuck off, man.
Where?
Op 4, last
delivery.
operator standing.
Delivery. I heard her last minute. Doctor should lit.
Where's diffuser? Where's diffuser?
It's in A, it's in A, it's in A.
Oh yeah, I saw him plant, didn't I?
Diffuser located.
No!
Protect the bomb.
Oh,
Got
no.
it, got it, yeah, I've got it.
No.
No! No!
Bomb defused.
Ah.
Mission failed.
Yeah, he's on ping.
One
I'm down.
friendly remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to go.
One's peeking you on your right hand side.
5 seconds remaining.
Cool. See if they plant.
Wait. Planting.
Op 4
Tag?
has placed a diffuser
Ah,
near
fuck.
the bomb.
No,
Destroy
only
it.
attacks on her. She's gone into double bunk. She's still pretty much on
Go,
that
go, go.
ping.
Another one.
Nice,
Another one.
Lavana.
Operator
Yes.
standing.
Holy,
Good
you're a
luck.
beast.
Diffuser located.
Good calls,
Disable
boys.
it.
Please come here and take the plant, dude.
I'm coming! Check the fuck out. What does he mean?
I've got Klosh on me in
Actually,
toilet
what-
downstairs.
What do you want me to do?
Watch small tower.
What does he want me to do? I don't...
Take the plant, apparently.
I'm gonna smoke,
I'm just gonna get killed.
and you just plant and then retreat.
Yeah, story up then.
Did you understand?
Oh. I bet that was our fault,
Nice.
wasn't it? Glad I came over here for that.
Frost was. Oh fuck.
Whoa.
We're gonna have to plant or something. No one's in there, I don't think. I think I killed
Behind you,
him.
Toph. In the watchtower.
Oh.
Klosh.
Four
No, it's
last
not.
operator standing. Bomb diffusion initiated. Protect the diffuser.
Cover watchtower, yeah, I'm covering here.
Yeah, get a drone or something somewhere.
He's white stairs, white
He's on
stairs.
the way. He's on you.
Got it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Construction.
Immediately.
Oh, fuck! Oh, down Blackbeard. I'm gonna go fucking teabag his ass.
If you remain in this zone, you will be detected by hostiles. Your location has been compromised.
Nice.
Op 4,
Oh, no, he got
last
me!
operator standing.
He's right next to me.
I saw him.
I fucking
Garage,
did
garage, he's here, he's here, right on me, right on my body, looking at you, looking at you. Looking up the stairs, right on my body. Coming up the stairs, pushing you.
Oh, didn't flick.
Oh no!
How's she
One
not
friendly
dead?
remaining.
Wait for him. Don't peek that.
I've got a drone in there for you.
He's
see.
naded
Oh,
the camp.
No, he's naded it.
10
Yeah, he's gonna
seconds to
push,
go.
just chill for a sec.
Don't peek. Don't peek.
Not gonna make.
Okay, go, 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 go. He's planting on the ping.
Oh god, he just told you not to peek!
Oh, what a fucking shit call that was. That wasn't planned at all.
He,
Fucking hell.
he wasn't on at all, you're right.
I love that it was like, don't peek, don't peek. And he's planting, go get him. It's like, you've literally just told you not to fucking...
It's 3-0. Can't have.
What are we doing?
Dropping a hatch.
Hey, Maverick.
Both hatches are mean as well.
There's a guy in here! Fucking taties.
Fucking hell.
He was shit.
So, I'll drop you silent. Wait, stand on it. Stand on it, stand on it. Which one?
I don't know.
Go on, stand on this hatch.
That's
Okay.
dead.
Oh, there's a guy in here!
During your possession.
Hot dropping that hatch is fucking terrible, Jill. Like, just terrible. Oh, if we'd have been a second earlier.
The knife!
Located
Oh, I
a
didn't
bomb.
see that.
One
Whoa!
friendly operator remaining.
Strat. Good strat.
Oh, it's 4v5 though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I just thought we were wrecking these guys because they're shit.
I don't feel like we are. I think we've had two pretty lucky wins.
Oh, fucking, I didn't think this through, you know?
And now we've got to do rear
Shit.
stage. Or kitchen. Do kitchen. It would be fucking Blackbeard, wouldn't it? Jesus Christ. Falt's gun plus Blackbeard plus a fucking load of stair banister things. Was never going to win that, was I? Blackbeard, bottom of white. Okay, where do we want to go?
VIP doorway.
Oh, there's a guy in kitchen, kitchen! Jaeger.
One op
Shit.
4 remaining.
Nice, Muffin, get diffuser and
He's got it, he's got it.
got him.
Nice.
Fucking bit messy.
Yeah, that took a while. Shit.
Friendly
Yeah.
mission successful.
Flicked to you and you were like, got him! I was like, oh god, he's still shooting.
Yeah.
Because of silencer. I'm keeping you alive, Jill, don't
You're
worry.
exposed.
Got him.
Op
Jackal.
4, last operator.
Nice!
Nice.
Hey!
Op 4,
Keep at it.
Where is it gone?
I'm gonna plant. I'm planting. Oh, I'm not.
10 seconds.
Plant, Jill.
I'm planting. Planting, guy. Ah, shit, they're gonna get me!
Oh no, that was been so
Friendly
close.
last operator standing.
That's
They're gonna breach into Narnia,
yeah, got him.
I do believe.
No, they're not. I killed them.
Fuck. Left.
Yeah, one Hall of Fame, one bathroom. He's down, but available to pick up bathrooms. Glaz is in. He's pushing
Spotted.
through to site.
Behave,
He's pushing quick.
behave. Behave!
One friendly remaining.
Glaz is pushing you from site.
I got. Fuck! I killed him, but the other one.
Mission failed.
Oh
One
yeah, of
friendly
course. Why
operator
would he be
remaining.
fucking sat in
You
that
have located
bastard
a bomb.
corner?
Oh, chill. Oh, this guy! He's not got the aim for this. Maybe he has.
Oh,
Oh, he gets.
bring it out, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out.
Op 4 eliminated.
One in sight. Where?
On site, yeah.
Tag him! Tag him!
Tag him if you can, mate.
VIP, they're just breached.
Tag him! Someone tag him!
On top of main stairs.
Oh, fuck's sake, boys! Am I going to do this myself?
I'm going up. Ah, I was getting trackled. I had to fucking penis.
Second floor.
One more.
IQ's Hall of Fame.
I have to do it myself.
Bomb
Oh!
diffuser active.
What? I thought that was the planter!
What the fuck off Jackal, Narnia?
Narnia.
58
Oh, yeah,
Jackal.
VIP, yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
Friendly
Hall of
last
Fame as
operator
well.
standing.
Once,
What
yeah,
you
Hall
gonna
of
do
Fame
from
and
downstairs?
Narnia.
Is he fucking giving me shit for being downstairs after I just C4'd one of them?
One smack bang on diffuser. Not sure about the other one. He's peeking you.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, Falk's gone. Fucking
Mission
hell.
failed. All friendlies were gated.
Paulson's toilet. He's in the hallway. On
You're
tag,
right,
on
Joe.
tag.
Right, yeah. Nice.
Good call.
Flick!
Op 4
That was good.
I was about to tell you to take it back because you didn't hear him, but you made up for it.
Ooh, yeah. Do want to be alibi, you're right.
Yeah, you do.
You're good at shooting with alibi.
Sound.
That made me feel real good.
Oh.
That is the sound of a compliment.
I'm all warm.
You are moist.
Oh, I'm just warm.
Just
Whoa, I'm getting it arrowed.
Hey boys, I got this. Oh, hello. You're awful.
I did say.
The diffuser has been secured.
Oh, whoa!
Op 4
All the way from
eliminated all
there?
friendlies.
Jesus!
many
this?
2 kills this guy
I
gets.
thought that was supposed to be fucking low damage at long range. Stairs jump. Woo. God! Oh, why you keep making it?
Well, he thought the same as me.
Let me check the drone.
I want to join back.
Oh, there is a guy there now, actually. And he's run off. He's run off. Okay. He's gonna get fucked here. That dick.
Jaeger's lit.
Online and
He's
active.
pushing rear side.
Oh yeah, he wrecked me. Jumped over the thing. He might be on diffuser. Is anyone covering it? Oh, I've got a drone on it. Oh, Clash is there. Fuck, they're diffusing.
Yeah.
Diffusing. That's unfortunate.
What the fuck, guys?
Disabled.
That is.
That's a good counter to that, isn't it?
It is.
Is it
Do you know
the
what we need
Jaeger
to do when
fucking...
we breach that?
You can't
We
blow
need someone in
underneath.
barrels to shoot
Can't.
underneath.
You can't.
Good job, Fetcher.
This is a good
Anytime,
job,
mate.
shit.
Anytime. It's all my fault. All the other rounds were my fault as well. Everything's my fault. My fault for planting the diffuser. My fault for doing stuff. Yep. Definitely not your fault. All my fault.
Yes.
Fucking idiots.
I'm off.
Yeah, fuck that.